Morning children, today we are going to discuss about the file modes. How we are going to use the data file in our Python program. Wherever we are going to include the data file in our Python program, we must know the file mode. That the page which is given in a Google Classroom. I hope that you read the page. Now we can discuss how we can use the file modes. See, we know the data file can be in a text format or a binary format. The text format means the files contains the ASCII value or Unicode format data. If it is binary file, then it can be of what is zeros and ones. Okay, so for each of the type, if the type of the file is text format, then we have some different file modes. If the type of a file in binary format, then we have some other different file modes. Let's discuss one by one. Now we consider the text file modes. That is, we are going to use the data file in the format of text, that is Unicode ASCII code data format. See, you know this R that refers what we want to specify the single slash that refers only the path of the data file. Okay, single R, this R before to the file name. This R not mean for this one file mode. This is a file name. Before to the file name, we can give the R that refers what the backslash is referring the path for the file. Okay, now the file object equal to open function, the file name, comma, the R mode. Here this single quotation R mode or double quotation also we can use the quotes. The R which refers, we are going to open the file in a read only mode. The file is going to be open in a read only mode. So the kind of file can be read. We can take out the information from the file. From the file what we stored already, the data can be take out. Okay, so that's called what? Read mode. If the file is exist in memory, we can read. If the book is printed matter, we can read. If the book is empty, nothing can be read, like that. If the data file is having the data in memory, we can open in read mode and we can read the content. We can take out the information from the memory. If the file does not exist, the Python interpreter will produce an IO error, input output error. Yes, the IO error will be thrown out when the file is not exist in the memory. When we are using this statement, the statement will be interpreted and it will be giving the error IO error. Yes, okay, now we can have another mode that's called W, write mode. So file object is equal to open of function or quotation =/ backslash temp backslash 12a.txt is the file path, file name, comma, we are using W, that is write mode. Here W is used to store the data. We want to write the data into the file. Suppose if it is of a notebook, we want to write, the matter is going to be stored into the file. So to write the data, it is called what? Write only mode, W, write only mode. So we want to write the data into the text file, then we can use W. If the file is already exist, we can store the data, but what the data is already stored, no, that data will be removed. What we are going to write now, hereafter, that the data, new data like it will store. So existing data will be deleted. If the file is already exist in memory, it will make it as a deleted the data, that is overwriting the data content, and we can write the new data. If the file does not exist in memory, it can create a new file and start the process. Then another mode, third mode is what? A, append mode. So here a file object is equal to open function or the file name, comma, A. Within quotation we can give A. A is refers append mode. So here this append mode file, that also will be of the mode of what? Write only. We can write the data. We can store the content into the file, so write the data. So this does not remove the existing data if the file is exist. What it will do, it can keep remind the data and store the content at last of that, where it is going to be ended. Thereafter it started to store the content. Is it clear? So in append mode, if the file is exist in memory, the existing data will not be removed. Okay, the data what we are going to write newly will be stored at the last of the file. Is it clear? Okay, so if the file is not exist in the memory, already we don't have a file now, then what will happen? It will create a new file and start it to store. Okay, so here we have only read only mode or write only mode like. We want to do both. We want to read the content as well as we want to write the content. Then both the process we want to do in the text file. Then we can go for the file modes called what? R plus read as well as write, W plus write as well as read, A plus append as well as read. So here we can use these three options, any one of the options. It refers what to both the process. Okay, thank you.